Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drink spirulina powder. Spirulina is a fantastic superfood packed with nutrients. To begin, take a small amount, perhaps 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the powder. It's crucial to mix it very well into a liquid. This ensures it dissolves properly and is easier to consume. We'll explore the best ways to do this and make it a pleasant part of your daily routine. Choosing the right liquid makes a big difference. Plain water is always a simple and effective choice, though the taste might be noticeable. For a more palatable experience, try mixing spirulina into fruit juices, such as apple or orange juice, as their natural sweetness helps mask the distinct flavor. Smoothies are also an excellent option, allowing you to blend the powder seamlessly with other ingredients for a delicious drink. If you find the taste challenging, there are several ways to improve it. In smoothies, combine spirulina with strong-flavored fruits like pineapple or banana to overpower its earthy notes. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can also brighten the flavor profile of your drink. Additionally, consider stirring it into a serving of yogurt or blending it into your favorite protein shake for a different texture and taste. Once you're comfortable, you can gradually increase your spirulina intake. Many people aim for about 1 tablespoon per day to maximize its benefits. The key is consistency. Incorporating it into your daily routine will yield the best results over time. Always remember to listen to your body and adjust the dosage as needed. Enjoy the journey to better health with this incredible superfood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.